A 400-gram ball is approaching a baseball player horizontally in a westerly direction at a speed of 40 meters per second, as indicated in the diagram. That is the initial velocity of the ball, which means it is before collision. The baseball player exerts force of 400 newtons on the ball in an easterly direction. That is how the statement of this scenario reads. Firstly, you must know that impulse is represented by this formula, where we can say that impulse is just the product of net force acting on an object and the time that net force acted or was acting on the object. Luckily, in this scenario, when the ball and bat were in contact, that contact period is given to be 0.1 seconds. Most of the time, if they ask you a definition of something like this, you must know that the following question will be possible to use the information of that definition. Let us see how helpful this information given may be to us for the calculation of the next question. We are instructed to calculate the velocity of the ball immediately after contact with the bat. We deal with the after collision as far as the momentum is concerned. That means we are calculating the final velocity of the ball. Remember that we are given the initial velocity of the ball and net force is given. With this information, we found it easier if we can use the impulse formula to calculate the final velocity of the ball. The final velocity of the ball is 60 meters per second to the east. As for the inelastic and elastic collision, since the ball and the bat didn't suck together after collision, we finalize by selecting elastic collision.